You can easily access all sorts of music and video content from an external hard drive. Simply plug in the hard drive to the USB input, ensure that the hard drive is formatted in the NTFS format, then select the USB source. Once the USB source has been selected, to navigate through the external hard drive content, press the search icon. You can select Top to go up to the top level to see every folder exactly as it is on the hard drive. One of the easier methods, though, is when selecting the arrow at the top, you can select Link Search or Category List to easily classify all of your hard drive content by artist, album, songs, and genres. So, we'll automatically put everything in alphabetical order for you, allowing you to find this content very easily. You can also simply switch to video content by touching this icon. It will toggle back and forth from your video to audio content, making external hard drive navigation really easy.
KENWOOD.